We had a lady call in whose child wasn't breathing, very young little girl. And you can imagine on a phone call like that, how do you control someone like that on the phone to even get an address, much less help them? And any normal service would say, we have an ambulance en route, they'll be there in a minute, and they'd hang up. Well, this particular lady and her baby lived 12 minutes away. I don't know how much you know about how life systems work, but if you're not breathing for 12 minutes, that baby would be dead when the ambulance arrived there, and it wouldn't matter how good the caregivers are. But because of the way that Baxter Regional's invested in our dispatch center, we use 2 dispatchers to take that call. One maintains the caller, the other dispatches the ambulance. Well, the one who's maintaining the caller, she stayed on the line, and I've heard this recording over and over, it's amazing. But she calmed that mother down and gave CPR instructions to that mother, and that mother breathed for that baby for 12 minutes. When our ambulance arrived, sure enough, it was a non-breathing baby who by all definitions would be dead. But because that mother was able to breathe for that baby, it kept the brain alive. Because the dispatcher was able to give those instructions eloquently over the phone, it allowed that mother to learn that CPR in that instant. And the result of that is that little baby is at home today. She's wrestling with her brothers and sisters, getting up for the school bus every day. And I just had the opportunity to go talk to them last week. And when I look at the little girl, it's amazing that we as a team, I mean, the entire hospital, all of Baxter Regional, the ambulance, the dispatch, the doctors, the nurses, the maintenance people that keep this place working, all of it came together in that moment for that little girl. And she was strong and healthy, and she was excited, and she has a big beaming smile on her face. Those are the things that make up my good memories. And even now I feel all tingly telling you that. I love stuff like that. And that's why I do what I do.